Silent approach, sudden destruction. In the Seversky direction, an FPV drone stealthily approached a bridge mined by the Ukrainian armed forces. In silence, it slipped through unseen, and moments later, boom, a massive explosion tore through the structure, sending debris and smoke into the air. The bridge was obliterated in an instant. Russia's Jiran-2 UAV is back in action. In its latest strike, the drone hit a key military position, the 48th Artillery Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. The attack took place near the settlement of Lozovo, in the Kupiansk direction, an area that has become one of the hotspots in the escalating conflict. Glory to Russia! We have just witnessed the brave and heroic actions of Russian soldiers launching an attack using fab bombs equipped with UMPK on a Ukrainian troop hideout in Volchansk. Again, no escape for Ukraine and NATO vehicle. A loitering munition locked onto a French Caesar self-propelled gun as it moved into firing position. Within seconds, a direct hit turned the powerful artillery into a blazing wreck, its position silenced before it could even fire. Chasing relentlessly, the Lancet never misses its mark. In the Dnipropetrovsk region, a fiber-optic drone captured the moment a Russian Lancet loitering munition hunted down and struck a Ukrainian T-64 tank. The footage ends with a fiery impact. The Lancet diving straight into the target, leaving the armored vehicle engulfed in smoke and flames. Another crushing blow from Russia. Along the Pokrovsky direction, Russian assault units unleashed a storm of fire, tearing through a Ukrainian armored column attempting to push forward. Around 24 vehicles, tanks, IFVs, and transports were annihilated in the onslaught. The aftermath, captured from the air, shows only twisted metal and black smoke rising into the sky, a grim testament to another failed Ukrainian advance. It has been confirmed, the arrival of Garand weapon systems in the residential area of Jatovo. The positions and military equipment of the armed forces of Ukraine in that area are the primary targets and are being prepared to be disabled. Look at how Russia repeatedly carries out precise airstrikes on the UAV control points of the 156th Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. Truly shocking. If the Russian drones consider this an easy task, the opposite fate befell two R-18 drones belonging to the Ukrainian Armed Forces. The Russian Armed Forces also reported having destroyed an ammunition depot and anti-aircraft installations. No escape from the Lancet. From the skies, the footage captures the moment of truth. A Ukrainian armored vehicle caught in the open, unable to move or evade the incoming strike. The Lancet loitering munition dives in with deadly precision, hitting its target squarely. Within seconds, the vehicle erupts in flames, shrouded in thick black smoke. Another piece of enemy armor reduced to ashes. Wow. What's going to happen in Ukraine? The Russian armed forces are reportedly planning another large-scale drone attack in the coming days. Has Ukraine prepared enough? No escape for the M777. In the Sumy region, a Ukrainian M777 howitzer was precisely targeted and destroyed. The powerful strike left nothing but wreckage, marking yet another blow to Ukraine's long-range artillery on the northern front. Fire in the dark. Under cover of night, Russian artillery unleashed concentrated strikes on Ukrainian positions in the Konstantinovsk direction. Flashes lit the skyline as salvos tore through fortifications and supply lines, sending plumes of smoke into the air. The barrage forced enemy units to hunker down, disrupted their cohesion, and cleared the way for follow-on maneuvers. Another night of pressure that keeps the opponent off balance. A towering column of thick black smoke spirals into the sky, blotting out the horizon. The explosions don't come just once, they echo in succession, each blast more violent than the last. In the aftermath, the 14th Airborne Division of Ukraine's Motorized Infantry Brigade was reduced to wreckage in the Kupiansk area. Meanwhile, miles away in Volchansk, the 17th Airborne Division of the 57th Motorized Infantry Battalion meets the same fate, engulfed in fire and devastation. Drones once again dominate the battlefield. In the Dnipropetrovsk region, an attack drone from the Vostok group zeroes in on a camouflaged Ukrainian D-30 artillery gun hidden in the forest and destroys it with a fiery blast. Meanwhile, in the Sumy region, FPV drones of the Sever group strike with precision, wiping out a Ukrainian UAV command post in a single decisive hit. Kharkiv is shaking. It is reported that the Sontsepiak unit successfully destroyed the position of the armed forces of Ukraine. We know which Russian weapon is responsible for this. Fire from the sky. Iran 2 kamikaze drones unleashed a wave of precise strikes, tearing through enemy positions with unrelenting force. The explosions lit up the horizon, a clear reminder that no target escapes the silent hunters of the night. No escape from above. A massive Fab 3000 bomb strike leveled Ukrainian positions in Konstantinovka. The powerful blast tore through enemy fortifications, leaving the area shrouded in thick smoke and debris. From the air, the strike's precision and destructive force were unmistakable, a single impact that silenced the battlefield in an instant. Under the bright morning sun in the Krasnolimansk direction, Russian soldiers swiftly load ammunition before the thunder of war erupts. Self-propelled Hyacinth-S guns from the West Group unleash a storm of fire, striking with deadly precision and obliterating a Ukrainian artillery battery. The battle then shifts to the Dnipropetrovsk region, where D-30 howitzers roar to life, their shells tearing through the air and smashing into enemy command posts, communication hubs, and troop shelters in a relentless rhythm of explosions that light up the front. In broad daylight, servicemen of the Center Group of Forces advance through the Dnipropetrovsk region aboard armored vehicles, their engines rumbling across the dusty terrain. With eyes fixed on the sky, they scan for enemy drones lurking above. The soldiers react instantly, rifles raised, shots crack through the air. The drone spirals down in smoke and flame as the Center Group maintains their grip on the skies. The kamikaze Lancet drone is becoming increasingly dangerous. In the footage sent here, we will see a Ukrainian tank on the railway near the village of Dorozhnoye being targeted by a UAV. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.